If you could visit any place in the world, where would you like to go? France is the country I've been dreaming of to visit. The place I would like to visit is Paris. Have you ever heard about the Eiffel Tower? It is a tower located on the Champ de Mars in Paris. It is the place where my heart belongs. For me, it is the most wonderful place on earth. I made this promise. In the near future, I will be there. Actually, it is funny to think about it, but that is what I really want. I'm also learning to speak a little bit of French language in order to prepare myself. Often people ask me, why do you want to go there? It is just a tower and there is nothing more than that. But for me, it is more than that. Someday I will be there for real. I will hold on this feeling until I am there. And definitely, I know everybody wants to know what I am going to do there. I don't know how to answer it. Maybe someday I will tell them. For now, let me keep this as my own special request to God, so that one day it will become true.